Check the first step before plunging. Confirm whether a foreign object is present in the toilet bowl that will change how you proceed. Start by doing a careful visual inspection inside the bowl under good lighting, lifting the tank lid only if needed to look down the bowl from different angles. If the water is murky, allow it to settle or siphon a little into a bucket so you can see clearly without overflowing. Ask household members directly and specifically if they recently dropped anything into the toilet, as this simple question often solves the mystery quickly. Put on waterproof gloves before reaching into the bowl and feel gently along the bottom and under the rim. Long rubber gloves reduce the risk of cuts and contamination. Use a flashlight or the torch on your phone to illuminate hard-to-see areas and identify plastic, toys, or other solids that a plunger cannot dislodge. If you find an item that is reachable, extract it slowly to avoid pushing it deeper, and if it is lodged near the trap, consider using a bent wire hanger with a smooth end or a toilet auger designed for foreign objects rather than forceful plunging. If the item is not reachable or you suspect a fragile item such as a smartphone, stop and call a professional to avoid permanent damage to the plumbing. 3 common mistakes are plunging immediately without checking for objects, which can push items deeper or damage the toilet. Always inspect visually and with gloves before any forceful action. Another is using an improper tool like a kitchen plunger that lacks a flange, which reduces seal and can lead to ineffective plunging. Use a toilet-specific plunger or a proper auger if needed. The third is failing to control water level, which causes overflow when plunging. Lower the water slowly into a bucket if it is too high and stop plunging if water rises, then remove excess before continuing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where people share real experiences and advice related to repairs like toilet blockages. We help contractors find work and help homeowners get practical input and contractor leads from neighbors and peers.